day starts at 5 o'clock. The first thing I do, boil the water, take out the coffee packets, mix it together and make a productive hack. After that, I came at my favorite place and do multiple things like building new feature for my product, finding marketing funnel, debugging and fixing the code, and list go on. In the morning, I don't have much time because I need to ready for my 9 to 5 job. This is not my passion. This is my funding. I work as a CNC operator 9 to 5. Not because I love machine, but because I need a capital. I don't want to take money from my parents to chase my dreams. Indie hacking is my decision. Software, startups, entrepreneurship. That's my responsibility. After 12th, everyone said, go to the college, follow the safe path. But I choose the different one. I chose to work, to earn my own money and invest it into my idea. Every hour here fund my SaaS. This job keep me grounded and my passion keep me moving. After this, I come back to bus stop. The average travel time is 30 to 45 minutes to come back to my house. I reach house, but I start feeling bored, restless and unmotivated because of that 9 to 5 stressed works. But I keep these things aside and start scrolling the X, what people are building public motives, and what indie hackers build new things, new tech, and more. After the scrolling for 20 to 30 minutes, my moods turn into the motivation mode and I sit on my desk and start doing the unfinished work of morning, like half the features as built in the morning that's I complete in the night. And after this I do some research about that how can I market my features and things like this go on. Even though I call myself as an indie hacker, but I don't have much product to show you. But right now I am building one product and my 9 to 5 job is funding that product because of shipping one product requires some amount of money and that money is funded by my 9 to 5 job. If you are curious about this dual core processor and 4GB RAM setup, you can check out my channel. I have uploaded my setup tour. So this is how my most of the days goes, and if you feel interesting or are you interested in indie hacking or software development or building public like these things, so you can hit that subscribe button to get the future videos because this channel is all about that.